we will kind of like learn to name it. Like when we hear something, or it could be a chipmunk, or it could be a bird. It's like uh, whatever sound, we are kind of like naming it. Once we are naming it, we stop experiencing it. Like we don't go further that what is that sound, because if we name it, if we hear same sound twice, it's not the same sound. Could be similar, but it's not the same sound. It has a two different characteristics. Right now, like if you think about language, you can say same word in different expression, and it has two different meanings. Same in sound, like could be two different meanings. So what we're trying to do is like listen without like without having that interference, what we normally have. Uh, yeah. So in that there could be like, at the same time there could be things going on in your head as well.
Mm-hmm.
So there is another layer of sounds going on in your head. So try to see like outside and inside, like who you are, in between that. Probably you might can like kind of silence you inside and listen. Like how do I say it? Like if you can talk, but try not to talk. If you talk, think as a part of like listening. Like it's also kind of you're making a sound. Uh, yeah,
Yeah, I think that's good. It's not forbidden to talk,
yeah,
but if you talk, you need to be extra, like you are contributing to the sound environment. So
yeah,
be aware of that
mm,
as a listener or a speaker.
yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it.